Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to post a GIF in Instagram comments. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is, of course, open our Instagram app on our phone. To comment, you just need to click on the comment icon located at the bottom left corner of the post. That's the second option. Click on that. And there you go. You can comment now. Now to comment a GIF, you need to click on the smiley face located beside what do you think of this. Click on that and it will show you the GIFs or the GIF. You just need to click one you would like to send and there you go. We already commented a GIF and that's it. That's how you post a GIF in Instagram comments. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!